In this video, I'll guide you on how to create a WeChat account. To begin, you'll need to install the WeChat app on your phone. Once installed, open the WeChat application, and on the sign up page, you can choose to sign up either via mobile or via Facebook. For this example, let's select Sign up via mobile. Enter your details, including your name, country/region, phone number, and password. Make sure to check the I have read and accept the terms for WeChat box, then click Accept and Continue. Next, you'll be asked to read the privacy policy and agree to it. After reading, check the I have read and accept the above terms box and click Next. Complete the security verification by sliding the missing piece of the image to the correct position. Finally, you'll need a friend with an existing WeChat account to scan a QR code using WeChat. There are some conditions your friend must meet, including having a WeChat account for a certain duration and not being blocked within the past month. If you can't find someone to scan the QR code, you can contact WeChat support for assistance. That's it. You've successfully registered for a WeChat account. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.